we fill the Twin Stars Destiny. We take it to go get pizza on that big old rack. Looks like a BMX here. Let's break. Let's see how much of this.
Yeah. Right.
This thing ran when parked. I love them just like this.
I know.
You know, that they left for dead. Just incredible. When you get on it, you feel it raise up like the whole bike just says, yeah, I'm ready to go. Watch, we'll do it right here. So good. The question is, can you have too many motorcycles? Well, when I was rolling all these out, I was thinking, yeah, I think you can have too many. But we're going to go through the fleet and let you know kind of where we are with each one. We got transmission. This thing hasn't ran in over a year. My question is the Honda CB CL350 the best vintage motorcycle for beginners? This thing does this. Guys. This thing wants to run. Oh, it's Fond Neutral. Story of my life. What'd you do today? I found neutral. See why I want to ride it to Colorado? This thing is a champ. Okay guys, all I did, you heard it running just a second ago. All I did was I rode it out, rode it around, parked it right here, put air in the tires to make sure the air in the tires was good, and then went to do this. You probably heard the starting or me trying to start. I can see why the 90 in the 60s changed everything.
Yep. I'll take that.
Hot dog. They've got all the parts diagrams, so it's helping me out to be able to figure out where things go. And then I'm also using photographs from auction sites to be able to look and see where everything goes. Ah, got it. Bob's your uncle. Look at that. We are killing it. 1000 grit wet sandpaper, and we're just gonna go at it, right? I really can't hurt it. But let's see if I just take right here, 1967 Kawasaki W1 650. This guy right here. It's the first time we've shown it on the channel. There we go. There we go. We just need to clean out. Oh, now she's good. Oh, yeah. He got a twin star for free. Any odds on what's going to be behind door number 1 here? This thing is a cruiser. I'm sitting here, I got pullback bars. I need some highway pegs up here. But the only bad thing wrong with this seat is it has a little split right here on the end. So what we're going to do is patch it with some vinyl. That this bike is, it's a girl's bike.
Everybody know it's for girls.
Such a great bike, and I really appreciate you guys letting me take you on this little journey.